What's the title?
Good afternoon, everyone. So our research title is about late night gigs.
Oh.
The experiences of bachelor gigs in music education students. And
Doing late night gigs.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And here's our interview transcript. Our first participant is AKA Miss Evelyn. Our question is about how often do you perform in late night gigs? So she answered, actually it depends. So there are months when there are numerous gigs, where there are also times when they are quite rare. Situational condition.
Situational
Condition.
are quite rare.
Average, the most frequent I perform is around 5 to 7, 8 night gigs per month. Availability of gigs. On slower months, it's either 1 to 3 gigs per gigs.
Very good, very good.
And as a given student, do you believe that participating in late night gigs has both positively and negatively impacted your musical development? If so, how? She answered, actually, it has positively impacted my musical knowledge since I've learned about a lot beyond music theory. And that's all. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you very much. Ask Jennifer, can you tell us kung anong nakikita mong essence?
Positive and negative impact of the late night gigs.
Service to understand the meaning. Then it's an investigation. Okay? You understand? Very publishable yung paper mo, Jennifer. I'm pretty sure. Very good yan. Who's your advisor? Yeah, very good, very good.